Welcome to another iHusbandry instruction video. The average daily gain resource shows actual and forecast weight data about the enterprise's animals. Weights are shown in kilograms for the last two weights closest to the last weighed date. For best results, animals should be weighed regularly. For actual data, select the species and set the last weighed date. These animals have no weight data. These animals have one piece of weight data. These animals have two or more pieces of weight data. To obtain forecast data, given a species and last weighed date, enter appropriate values into the target values table. You can forecast the number of days required for an animal to reach a target weight, given an average daily gain. You can forecast the average daily gain an animal requires to reach a target weight after a number of days. You can forecast the weight an animal will be after a given number of days at some average daily gain. See the pivot table instruction video for how to manipulate the table to gain further information.